So now, before going to further topic, can you anyone answer what is master data relationship?
Yes.
Okay, what is master data relationship? Jitendra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is master data relationship?
Study the relationship which relates two different objects
Mm-hmm.
and it can be many to many.
It can't be many to many. We
Can't
have
be.
to do many to many using junction object. Only about master data relationship I'm asking.
Okay, okay.
So, master data relationship is a tightly coupled or tightly bonded relationship where a child can exist only with the help of parent. Without parent, no child can exist. Simply. Okay. Manoj, what is lookup relationship?
Look up a relationship between parent and children.
Mm-hmm.
Many to many.
Okay, not many to many. Everyone are targeting many to many. Many to many can be possible with the help of junction object and master data relationship. Okay. Lookup relationship is a relationship where we can relate child to parent, but child can exist individually and parent can also exist individually. There is no dependency on each other. Just we can look up if needed. I will share you some of the relationship overview. This page, you go through this, okay? Tomorrow again I'll ask this question. These are most important things. Okay. This weekend there will be a test on this topic as well. Sunday will be test this weekend, and in that we cover objects, fields, concepts, what is custom object, what is standard object, and we'll ask questions on this one, relationships. Look up master detail, even on junction object. Okay. So this article is on lookup relationship and master data relationship. What are the differences that exist between these two lookup and master data relationship? So these all you have to go through. Okay. Okay. Coming to today's topic. Coming to today's topic. One more type of field. We have seen checkbox, we have seen pick list, we have seen email, we have seen phone number, we have seen long text area, and we have seen date. So these all kinds of fields we have seen. Also special type of fields called master data relationship field and lookup relationship field. We have seen this all. Okay. Now we need to see one more type of sorry, not normal field, one more type of field called formula field. What is that?
Formula fit.
Formula field. So we will be seeing formula field today. Okay. What is formula field? What is the use case of formula field? Okay. This is what we're going to see now. Now, before going to see that, let's say you have one field. You have one field called total price. Okay. Total price. Okay. Okay. Total price of the product. Now, You want to you want to know the final price after discount. Discount is 5%. Observe carefully, Manoj and Jitendra, Bhargav, everyone observe very carefully because this is very important field. There will be questions on this. So there is a 5% discount. And here there is a 1,000 rupees is the total price of that product. Now 5% discount means after 5% discount, what is the final price? What is the final price? How you will calculate this final price? So you do mathematical calculation that total price, yes, minus 5%. 5% means what?
950.
So 5% now the formula. Just I want to know the formula. 5% means what? 5 by 100
Yeah, by 100.
of total price, right?
Yes.
So like this, total 5 by 100 into total price. This is how you do the formula. And after the calculation, directly we can see here. Suppose if it is so if it is 5%, you will get a 5950 as the answer. What does this mean? Based on one calculation, these are two fields, field 1 and field 2. Based on the calculation, we are displaying a value in the field 2 with the help of some formula, right? And this formula is applied on some other field now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, a total annual revenue, total final price, total price is 1,000 and I want to know the final price of the product. I apply 5% discount in the back end. So whatever the amount I enter here, if I enter some one more zero here, I'll get like this automatically because I have applied a formula in the back end such that whatever may be the value in the field 1, the field 2 value is dependent on the field 1 value and the formula behind it. Yes or no? Why this is useful? Suppose I have a order. I have a order. In the orders, I have the total price of all the product. Now, while billing for Jitender, I apply 5% discount. 5% discount. So in the invoice, the final price should be displayed automatically. I don't want to calculate the 5% of this 1,000, 10,000 or 500, 5,500. So I'll write a formula so that formula will help me. That formula will help me to calculate the final price and display it on one particular field. Based on that, I do billing. Yes or no? This is helpful, right? If I apply 10% discount to some other person, then it's again helpful for me. I don't need to calculate the final amount. Just I have created a formula based on the discount and total price. So I'll get the answer. Let us do this practically. I'll explain in one other example. Again, you will practice in another example. Okay. Gene point. This is account. In the accounts, we have annual revenue. Okay. In the accounts, we have annual revenue. Okay. This is the annual revenue. 1 second. Annual revenue. This is accounts. This is standard object. So I want to create one formula in this account standard object. You will be creating in a KC products, KC orders, which are custom objects. Okay. 1 second. Go to object manager. Go to account. Now fields and section. So these are different types of fields. So I'll create one field. I'll create one field which is of type what? Formula. Okay, formula. Here you have to select data type or field type, you can say. Then next field label. I'll say brokerage. Brokerage. Brokerage value. Brokerage value. This is another example. Brokerage value. Okay. Now, see, you have to understand two things now. One is data type. That is what? Data type is what? Formula. Data type of that field is formula. Now, what that field will return for us? Is it a checkbox? Is it a currency? Is it a date? Is it a date time? What I am doing now? On the annual revenue, I am just finding annual revenue. I have annual revenue field in my account standard object. So I want to do the brokerage. Brokerage for that account is 25%. That means what? I have to apply 25% on the annual revenue and display in the another field. Okay. So 25% of annual revenue, which is a currency field. Annual revenue means it's a currency field. So if I do calculation on the currency field with respect to like this 25%, what I get? Currency only, right? Again, number or currency? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I have to keep in mind that whatever I want in the return is also currency. So currency I have selected. Okay. Next. This is a formula editor. Okay. This is a formula editor. Advanced simple formula editor will be there. Advanced formula editor is there. We have to always go with advanced formula so that we will have multiple functions here to play with. Okay. Multiple functions to play with. I'll explain what are these functions, what are these operators. Now, what I want? Accounts, annual revenue into again open parentheses 25% discount, right? 25 of insert operator divided by 100, again insert operator close parenthesis. Is it clear till now? What I am doing? Brokerage value, which is a currency now type now, should be equal to annual revenue of that account into 25%. Yes or no? This is what our requirement is, right? Manoj, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? Not clear?
Clear. Clear.
Just I am writing a formula,
Uh,
and based on this formula, I will get one value. That value I am displaying in another field. Okay?
okay, sir.
Which is a brokerage value just now, which I have created now.
Sir, this currency data type where we have selected.
In the
brokerage.
previous step. So if you see in the previous step, this is a field label, and here they will ask you, what is the return type of this formula? After calculating, what should be the type of the data you want? Okay.
Okay.
There you have to select currency. Next. Here you have to give annual revenue into 25 by 100. So there is an option called insert field. There is an option called insert operator. These are also called functions. We'll discuss about these functions very soon. So till now, is it clear, everyone? Now check syntax, no errors. Okay. Next. So I want in every layout, save. Okay. Gene point. Let me reload this page. This formula field is created now. What is the formula field? Brokerage value. So brokerage value is a formula which returns currency for us. And that currency, whatever the value I am getting, is based on this formula. Annual revenue into 25/100. So let me check gene point. And in the details, if I go and check brokerage value, 3 lakhs, 25% is some 3 million, 25% is 75. Let me change it. Save. So for this 25% is this one. Clear? Not clear.
Clear, sir.
Understood.
Clear? Bhargav, can you share your screen? If you have created 3 objects and the fields,
Yes, sir.
you created, right?
Yeah.
3 objects and these fields also, if you have created, please share your screen. We'll create 2 more examples on that objects.
Sir, it is saying you did not allow to share my screen.
Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, you can share your screen now. Go to products object. Just a minute. Okay. One second. Okay. Open any of the products. So, there are different fields right here. Product number, product name, SKU. So like this, we have different, right? Now, let us apply a formula field here. Okay, let us apply a formula field here. Now that formula field, how I want is, how I need is SKU plus product name. SKU is like a stock keeping unit in the manufacturers, in the retail shops. Why this SKU they will use is like this. For different product numbers will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
VM underscore 1502 or pavilion. If you say laptop, pavilion underscore 1053. So like the different codes will be there, right? For each of the product in the factories and in the shops, in the retail units. So they have some different code for or different name for this each of the product. So that kind of information we will store in SKU. This is real-time example I am explaining. Okay, real-time example.
Okay.
SKU stands for stock keeping unit, where we give different codes. Okay, different codes or different names for a particular product. Now, this product name is the original product name, what we call, whether it's a like a washing machine or whether it's some like laptop. So like that, we have some special name. Also, they have stock keeping unit with respect to particular stock in that company. So I want to print product. I want to have product code now. Product code. This product code should be equal to combination of product code should be equal to the combination of SKU, stock keeping unit, plus product name. My requirement is clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
I want to print the product code. I want to have product code, a special type of field where I don't want to enter manually. If someone gives these two fields, based on these two fields, I want to club them and print it in another field called product code. My requirement is clear, right?
Clear, sir.
So now, Bhargav, go to the formula. Go to this product object in the object manager. Manoj, observe. Next, you will be creating one more field. Okay. Okay. What is the written type?
Text.
Text. Obviously, it should be text. Why? Because if you add two text, the answer will be text, obviously. Okay. Now, go to advanced formula editor. That will be always helpful. Now, which two fields you are going to combine?
Product name.
No, SKU first. SKU first. You can give always anyway product name, but my requirement is SKU plus product name. Okay. Check syntax. Okay. Reload it. It takes time to display. Go back. Just click back. Click on new. Have you refreshed the code? Refresh the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just to give some these two fields. Fields name. Yeah. Okay. It is taking some time to get displayed. Go to this one. Go to, setup and open that object manager, the product object. Let's see. Hmm. Huh. No, I'm asking, go to the object manager. Go here, go to another tab, the next tab, next tab.
Sir, meeting details are showing on my screen.
Just drag it and put it down. Hold it, drag it and put it down. Yeah. Okay. So go to this object manager. AC product, you can search it. Okay, go to fields and relationship. Is there a formula field? Yes. Product code. Still it is not visible. Okay. Go back to this one of the object. One of the record.
Sir, it is
Reload.
visible, sir, product code.
Yeah, here it is visible. There it is not getting visible. Let's check.
Yeah.
It takes some time to load. No need to worry. Reload it. Product category, product name. Okay, it takes time. So
Shall I relaunch, sir?
yeah,
Relaunch.
reload. In that case, keep it as this.
One select edit. Edit. Product
Sir,
code.
here it is visible.
Where?
Product code.
Yeah.
Yes.
100, product 1. Is it visible right now?
After refreshing, now here it will be visible.
It's okay. It happens. So you have seen, right? 100 SKU, which is SKU. Yeah. Okay. 100 product 7. Product 1. I can modify it anyway. Again, I'll go to the formula editor. Instead of this one, I can write like this also. 100, which is SKU, hyphen, whatever I can write, right? Go to the object manager in the next tab. Go to that formula field. Let's enhance it. Road code. Click on edit. Yeah. Here I can also write SKU plus underscore plus underscore means in the underscore you have to write like this. Space, double quotes, the double quotes. Yeah. Plus. Plus. You can directly write plus, but it's better to use operators. Yeah. Again, insert field. Product name. Next. Okay. Again, if you go back, reload it. No, reload it. Control R. Control plus R for reloading the page.
So product cost.
So it's okay. How the formula
Yes.
works? Now, let us do is let us enhance more. Let us enhance more. Okay. 1 second. Just a minute. You have invoice object, right?
Yes, sir.
In the invoice, you have the state, invoice status, right?
Yeah.
So let us say we want a checkbox. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let us say we want a checkbox now. Okay. Checkbox. How we can say we have invoice. Invoice status is generated. Just click on this one. Click on this edit. Generated. I think we have paid option, right? Okay. If it is paid, I want to have the invoice status. Formula field is what? Invoice status. Oh, 1 second, not this one. Wait. Payment status. Okay, payment status. I want to create another field called payment status or paid, just paid. Okay, just paid or not paid. Okay, if invoice status is paid, then I want to check this. Check. If not, uncheck. Is it clear? Not clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
If invoice status field is having a drop down value paid, then I want to have another field called paid with a checkbox. Okay. Go to the object manager. Manoj, is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Formula. Next. Paid. So checkbox, yeah. Checkbox, when it will display checked, when it will display blank is, if it is checked means there should be true for it. What is called? True. False means unchecked. This is the logic we have to write. In this way, we have to write logic. If some calculation results in true, then it is checked. If not, it is unchecked. Getting my point? When that field will be checked, when we calculate some value, right? If it is true, then that value will be checked. That box will be checked. If not, it will be unchecked. True, check. False, uncheck. So now, 1 second. In the functions, inside these functions, you have an if function. Select that one. Logical, yeah, okay. Logical or just, yeah, if, insert. See, 1 second, just go down, scroll down. Here, this one you scroll down. 1 second, go up. Yeah. If you see this one, what it is telling, use this function in this way. If there will be three things here, okay? If logic, then true, then false. Can you see there are three different parameters we have to give to this function. One parameter, the first parameter is logic we have to write. If logic gets true, what should happen? I have to write here. If logic gets false, what I have to do? That I have to write here. This is what they are explaining. Check whether a condition is true and returns one value if true and another value if false. Value 1, value 2. Okay. Now, let us use this one. Insert this function. First, you write the logic. What logic you have to write? What logic we are checking here? Jitendra, what logic we are checking?
Whether the amount is paid or not.
Whether the,
Amount is paid or not
how we are checking?
by if function.
No. What should
Payment status.
invoice
Payment
status.
status, invoice status.
Invoice status equals to paid. Write it down there. No, insert field. Don't write like that anytime.
Okay.
Insert field, invoice status. Insert. Equal to, invoice status equal to single quotes, double quotes, paid. Okay. Then write true. Write true. If not, write false. One second. Why it is not supporting?
Checklist status.
1 second. Let me. Yeah. Just go up, go up. Invoice status is there, right? Invoice status.
Yes.
To that invoice status, you write text in the bracket. Write we have to write this way. I'll explain. Yeah. Here you write text, T-E-X-T, capital.
All caps, sir.
Yeah, all caps.
Bracket.
Check syntax. I can click on check syntax. No, check syntax. Go up. So what we are doing is, this is pick list value, right? Pick list values directly, it won't be in the form of a string, okay, paid. We have to convert the pick list value to text value, okay? Then we have to compare that with a normal paid text. This one, we missed it. We have to keep in mind. How? Pick list value should be converted to text. Then you have to compare it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then true and false, okay? Check the operator, okay, done.
So we
Next,
have to No.
leave everything as this. Don't check. Next. Next. Save. Reload it. Yeah. Paid or not. So this is unchecked now. Change the invoice status to paid. Save. Click on edit. Check the right.
Yes.
So this is how a formula function will work. What function we have used? If function
If function.
and text function. Text is the function which converts any value, number, pick list, or anything to string or text. Okay, like alphanumeric characters. And if is a function which takes one value, if it is true, then which takes one logic, if it is true, then it displays either the second one, second parameter, or it displays the third parameter. Okay, based on true or false. So this is how we can use the functions also in the formula. Okay, there are many other functions, many other examples I will be giving you as a homework. You have to concentrate on that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is clear. Let us take another concept now. Roll up summary fields. This is also a formula field. This is also a formula field, but it applies only on master detail relationship. Okay. Master detail relationship. How I can use it or why I should use it. Okay. How I can use it or why I should use it. Now, order is a master, right? Order is a master. Okay. Order is a master. Now, I have invoices. I have invoices as a child. I have different invoices. Now, in each invoice, I have a bill amount. Okay. Bill amount. In one, I have $10. I have $100. I have $5. I have like $105, and I have like some 1,000, and I have $2. Once again, this is a parent, this is a child, okay, parent, or let's say master, and this is a detail or child. Which is a parent object in our concept? Order, right? You only created in the yesterday's class, okay? Order is a parent object. For that, how many children? Let's say there are like almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. Now, I want to know what is the least billed invoice and what is the amount of that least billed invoice. How can I know it? So in this, among these all invoices, which is having a least bill?
$2.
$2. Now, that $2, I want to know in this order. In this order, I want to have a field called minimum value of invoice, minimum invoice or minimum value of invoice. There is a field. Okay. Invoice. Now, that field should display $2. Requirement should understand first, then only we can learn the concept easily. If you are if you want to find which is having the minimum value and what is the minimum value of the invoices or what in the order object, then how can we proceed? This concept is like, I want to know the children detail in the parent object. I want to know children's details like minimum value, okay? Minimum value or maximum value, okay? Minimum value or maximum value. So like that, which is having minimum value, which is having maximum value, that I want to know in the parent object. So Parent object means master object. So in this way, in this scenario, I have to use roll up summary fields. These roll up summary fields will be created in the master. Okay. Further details. Go to the master object in our concept, which is the master object.
Invoice.
Orders.
Yes, orders. Open the
Orders.
order. Open the order. Any order? How many? Go to related. How many invoices? One invoices, right? Click on new. Invoice date. You give it some and invoice amount. Also, you give it some amount. Yeah, save it. One more invoices, like that 5 invoices you create for this order. Just give me a minute. I will be back. Till then, you can create 5 invoices for this order and 5 invoices for another order.
Okay, sir.
Manoj, observe carefully. This is also very important question, very important concept. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Created?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me, yeah. Now, Manoj, what is the parent object here?
Orders,
What are the child?
invoices,
What is our requirement now?
minimum
Minimum,
invoice among the
minimum
orders,
amount of invoice
among the orders.
among all the invoices, which is the minimum
Invoice.
amount that I want to display in the order object. Okay, go up in the details. Click on details. Here I want to have a field. Okay, here I want to have a field which will display the least amount among all the invoices. Okay. Okay. Now go to the order, click on edit. Yeah. Roll up summary field. Yeah. Click on next. Now, yeah. Now, what is the summary object? Invoices. Okay. What I want to find, I will have four options. Count how many invoices I have total that I can display. Sum. What is the total sum of the particular field of after means like you have the different values, right? 100, 200. So like that I can sum up all the amounts. That is another option. And minimum of the particular field and maximum of that particular field. So you selected minimum. Which field should be minimum? Which invoice amount? Okay. Click on next. Next. Save. Is it clear till now? Manoj, Jitendra?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. You got it, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the minimum invoices. Is it true? Or is there any other invoice which is having a minimum value?
No, it is on the minimum, sir.
Is only minimum. Now find the maximum similarly. Create another maximum and count. And one thing to note, it will give minimum amount of the invoices of this particular order, not all the invoices minimum. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Huh.
This will only work for this
This
order which is
order.
related to all invoices. Sir.
Order with the invoices which are related or which are child of this particular order.
Particular order that is parent.
Order number. For order 3, these are the invoices. So from that, which is minimum, that value will be
That
displayed here.
will display. Okay.
Yeah.
Go to orders.
Hmm?
AC orders. Minimum value.
It is showing minimum.
Nice.
Here it is
Maximum.
showing maximum.
The maximum invoices. Minimum is here, maximum is here. Okay?
So, sir, we can create up to 4 number of this type fields, minimum, maximum, count, and summation.
Yes, count and summation. Count and
Some
wait.
total of all the invoices.
Yeah. Count sum. No, not only four types we can create. On for one field there will be 4 types now. If there is another field, minimum date.
Okay, sir.
So which is the latest invoice I want to find. How I will do that?
According to date.
According to date I will go. So which is the max date or which is the minimum date? So like that I can calculate. So that
will
I can
depend
find the
on
latest invoice date.
So, depending upon our requirement, we have to choose the field. For that field, we have 4
Yes.
different types.
Yes.
it totally
Yes.
depends upon the field.
Or we can create 4 invoices at once.
4 invoices, sorry?
Uh,
4 types.
4 types.
Yes, we can create 4 types at once. Now, your homework is, I want to know the latest invoice. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
Latest invoice.